To be interesting, you have to be interested. You may have heard this one before, but this is what they didn't tell you. There are millions of people out there right now who are having a shitty time, who are having a shitty life. Something is going wrong for them, and they're looking for an artist, for a person to build an authentic connection with. And there are millions of people right now in the same shoes as you, trying to build that artist connection and trying to build that artist career. But this is where they be lying to you, bro. And it shouldn't have to take a guy like me to tell you this, but I'm gonna be the guy to tell you this. They say they don't care about their art. You hear that rappers are like punching in. They're not even like writing anymore. But the thing is, everybody's trying to act nonchalant and act cool, but that's their own ego speaking. That's them being afraid to be vulnerable, being afraid to put themselves out there for real, because they're scared they will look cringe and they're scared that people will laugh. In that space, you can have the advantage by actually being the real you. Be cringe, bro. Be shit. Be weird, but be your real self. Because in a world full of fake motherfuckers trying to be nonchalant, being the real cringe you will make sure that people are interested in you. Because if you're not interested in the thing you're doing by trying to act cool, why would they be?